Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about the virtual distractor. As you can see, we have got here the code from the previous lesson. Let's comment the things so they will not interrupt us, and let's change something in the destructors from our classes. So let's send to the output something like I am from the class, from the base class, right? Something like that. So it will have us debug something. I am from the subclass, something like that. And here's something like that, and here's something like that. So when the constructor will get invoked, this thing should get invoked, right? So when I create, for example, a dog, right? And then I will just compile that thing and run. The destructor is invoked from the subclass and base class, right? Okay, but what will happen when I do something like that equals new dog? As you can see, these structures weren't invoked. It's because we didn't delete, we didn't free that space, right? So we have to use the delete word. Now, as you can see, we have got both destructors invoked. So everything is working fine for the subclass and the base class. But there will be a problem in situations like that. When I assign here the address of dog to the pointer that should point to animal, what will happen? As you can see, only the destructor from the base class goes invoked. So if we did something here in that destructor, if we had here, for example, a few instructions that would free memory, we would have problems because that memory wouldn't be now free. So how to make this function, well, to this destructor to be invoked? We should create a virtual destructor. So in a class that will be used to inherit for others, right? We should create a virtual destructor. Now, as you can see, we have both destructors invoked. I am from the subclass and I am from the base class. Both destructors get invoked, so everything is working fine. Okay, so please remember that when you create a class like that, you should always create a virtual destructor, because later when somebody uses your class, he should delete the objects that will be created without any problems, right? That way we won't make any errors when we create a virtual destructor. If we did it that way, it would make a big problem, right? We didn't free a memory. Remember about it. Okay, that's all in the lesson. Thank you very much.